treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find a five-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, an outside temperature display, heated seats, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.